You are late. Did you bring it?
Can I take your order?
No, not ready.
Gin on a rocks.
I have to do it. I have to do it, right? If I don't, he'll do it again. Maybe even to someone else. In a way, I'm helping the next person, right? So, I must do this. I must get my sister out. I can't take another story of I fell down the stairs, I cut myself washing dishes. I'm the only one who can save her. The only one. The police keep opening cases after cases, but no action. No. No more. If there was another way. She's family. If this was your sister, you'll do the same, right?
I'll cut his guts off.
Yes!
Can I please have my money? So I can leave before I mess you up.